Hello friends, I am Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we discuss low power, low pass filter. Low pass filters. The low pass filter network consists inductive series arm and capacitive shunt arm. Design impedance R0 equal to under root L by C. Cutoff frequency omega c equal to 2 divided by under root LC, or FC equal to 1 divided by pi under root LC. Characteristics of impedance Z0T for T network R0 under root 1 minus F divided by FC whole square, and for pi network Z0 pi equal to R0 divided by under root 1 minus F divided by FC whole square. This is a characteristics Z0 versus frequency. Z0 with frequency. Z0 pi and Z0 T. Constant is R0. Reactance frequency sketch for prototype low pass filter. X1 equal to omega L. That means frequency is directly proportional to XL. And here frequency is inversely proportional to XC. This portion up to omega C, if frequency is less than cutoff frequency, then pass band, and frequency is greater than cutoff frequency, then attenuation band. Next, attenuation constant alpha, it is denoted by alpha equal to 2 cos inverse F divided by FC. Attenuation with frequency graph. Next, phase constant, it is denoted by beta equal to 2 sine inverse of F divided by FC. Phase constant with frequency graph. Next, design equation of prototype low pass filter. For this, R0 equal to under root L by C and FC equal to 1 upon pi under root LC required. Then if we divide R0 by FC, we get L, and if you multiply R0 with FC, we get C. So L equal to R0 divided upon pi FC, and C equal to 1 upon pi FC into R0. Prototype T low pass filter, L divided by 2, side arm L divided by 2, and this is C, shunt arm. Prototype pi low pass filter, L for capacitor C by 2, C by 2. Let's see example on low pass filter. Design a prototype low pass filter if design impedance R0 equal to 500 ohm and cutoff frequency FC equal to 2000 Hertz. L equal to R0 pi FC. While putting all these values in this formula, we get 79.57 millihenry, and C equal to 1 upon pi FC R0. While putting all these values in this formula, C equal to, we get C equal to 0.3183 microfarad. If we design prototype low pass filter, this is T type low pass filter, L by 2, that is 39.78 millihenry, and C, keep it as it is, and pi type low pass filter, L and C by 2. Thank you.